Red Rock Canyon. We're going there in about 10 minutes. And we're going to hike one of the famous trails.
Hopefully we will not feel cold. It's kind of chilly. We do have jackets. I don't know whether they take the national pass or no.
America the beautiful.
We will try.
Hi there.
Okay.
I don't have a reservation.
Okay, you pay $2 then.
Okay.
Yeah.
The pass works here?
Yeah.
Okay.
You don't have to pay $22.
Okay. Alright, there you go. Thank you so much.
Yeah.
Alright, thank you.
Thank you.
So this just saved us 20 bucks and it's worth using.
So they do take national pass, but if you don't have a reservation, they will charge you the reservation fee. That's only $2. So now here we go. You ready, buddy?
Yes, let's go. Let's hit the trails.
You ready, my friend? So we are going to the La Madre spring. It's a spring trail, right? And it's 1.8 mile round trip, elevation 5,299. So he's gonna share his journey with you, right, buddy?
Hey, let's see. I'm already losing my breath.
This is elevation 5,299. That's why it's cold. No wonder. I would love to camp here if they let me, but this place is just from sunrise to sunset. You can't do camping.
They have camping on the other side.
Yeah, they do have on other side. This is actually a good place. I'm gonna put the camera down and enjoy this place. Bye-bye.
So we found spring water in middle of wilderness. Do not drink it, but
They said do not drink it.
and we did one. How many miles?
1.8 mile one way.
1.8 mile one way. It was just like from there right up. Here's our house special chef preparing the man-made gas oven, whatever you call it. And we're going to make some hot noodles right in middle of nowhere, my friend.
After this, we're hungry and we're trying to make some noodles, but I forgot the shield around it this, so now I have to make something up. So I am putting bag one side and found this really, and I think so this bag one side so it can help. All right. I think it's working.
You can see flames there. La, la, la. We are making Hakka noodles. It's working perfectly fine.
We finally make it. So we're gonna eat noodles
Cold water, my
right here by the spring water.
खतरनाक वाला ठंडा है यार.
कोई नहीं अभी सूप की करूँ. Tastes good. My friend, how do you like it?
Very nice. Good job, my friend. Good job.
Nothing can beat this noodle soup. Especially right now in this place. Our food is getting cold so fast. It's really chilly here. Everything clean up, all back to go. All right, let's walk, my friend. Let's get back to the trail. We don't have Sam with us because she is working today, and we are not. And we thought to take adventure without her. That's not cool.
Just say we are not missing her. Sam, he's being honest.
No, I do miss her. She's my wife eventually. Alright, bye. This was Sam. Love you.
So, we just finished our trail, which was pretty small, basically. So this is my personal chef. Made top-class noodles, 5-star hotel service, even in the middle of nowhere too. Now we are going down, then we gotta play tennis. We're not gonna say pickleball because tennis is better.
That sounds good.
And then wrap up the day, and tomorrow we're going to a different adventure and we'll keep you updated. Please don't forget, like, comment and subscribe. Press that thumb button there, okay?
We make it back to the parking, and now we are going to the scenic view, and then we will go home.